before coming to the clinic, I was to the point where I literally sat in my car, turned to put my feet in, and had a back spasm that I couldn't get over. The next morning, I literally had to slide down the side of my bed to stand up and move. So when it comes to quality of life, I was very close to very little. It was figure out another form of treatment or go get back surgery. The first time I had one, the back injection helped for about a year. The second time I had it, it was gone in 30 days. I've been a client of Dr. Everingham's back to probably 2007. So familiar with the clinic, wasn't familiar with the machines. What Dr. DeCoute and the whole team did with me was walk me through the processes. I got to see videos, other testimonials, read and even talk to other clients. And especially, you might think, oh, spinal decompression, osteoarthritis, we're talking 90-year-old people. No, there were other very active individuals, 30s, 40s, 50s, any decade that you name, that I could talk to, and the thought or sense of relief or possibility that I could regain strength, do things I hadn't done in a long time, that's what excited me. I didn't know what to expect at first on the machine. I knew that I was locked in and kind of had, I call it a winch, but had the pulley system there. I was nervous the first time, I'm not gonna lie. The staff was there to help me relax. Feeling the tension with the machine and the pull, and then the release, and then the tension again. I was nervous at first, but by the end of that first session, getting off the machine, doing stim, and having the ice pack, it gave me the feeling of I could actually move right now. Like, this worked just after one treatment. I knew I was going to come back for more. In the last year, I've lost over 80 pounds. I'm bowling again. I've bowled ever since I was a little kid. Pre-DRX, I could barely even get on the lane to throw the ball because of how much my back hurt. So I'm active in the community again, walking, jogging, losing weight, having fun, being overall active again. I went through a long stint of being at home and not getting to get out. So mood, health, happiness, all have improved with DRX. Try the DRX, absolutely. Don't go under the knife. You can have the DRX treatments, you can have the rehydrations each year. It will give you your life back. Don't hesitate.